তুমি তুমি কোত্থেকে আসছো?
Actually, I came from a remote area. Have you heard about Kumilla, right?
কুমিল্লা, হ্যাঁ। একটা স্কোর, একটা ইংলিশের স্কোর, এইটা কি তোমার লাইফের কোনো কিছু চেঞ্জ করে দিছে বলে মনে হয়?
So my journey was kind of bizarre, Like my parents were against me. So what am I supposed to do?
Against you means what?
I mean my IELTS journey.
Okay.
They were insisting me that you got A pluses, 2 A pluses in your belt. So you must be very good at in university, Dhaka University, for example. So they always wanted me to stay in Bangladesh, do something for the country. Nevertheless, I was really curious about what is beyond Bangladesh, right? So since from childhood, I had a strong desire of wanderlust, traveling around the world. So I made up my mind that yes, I'm gonna do what my heart say, right? I'm not gonna listen to anyone. Sometimes I was feeling lonely, like nobody is with me, nobody is going to help me if I start my IELTS journey. So one day I was scrolling through Facebook. My English was not pretty good beforehand. And then I came across English Fantasy, scrolling through Facebook. And one thing just instantly caught my mind. You cannot speak Bengali here. And you have to speak English all the time.
That is still in your mind.
Yep.
There is no other option without speaking English.
Yeah.
Huh? Your accent is really good. I mean, this is like a native American or Canadian.
Yeah.
So why did you come here? This is for not like you people. I mean, you are pretty already strong already. So why did you come here?
Well, to be perfectly honest, I wasn't that good beforehand coming to English Fantasy. And slowly I became pretty much good. My English level was around B2 before coming to English Fantasy. Then I instantly moved to IELTS and started my journey there. And then I realized that I'm not enough actually. But then the teachers, I talked to my teachers, their class was so impressive. I learned a lot of things, it's inexplicable. They gave me motivation, what I need, everything they gave me. My confidence was skyrocketed, took my English to a different level that now I can proudly say, yes, I'm in C1 level.
মুয়াজের কথা শুনে সবাই কনফিউজড হয়ে যাবে যে এখানে যারা স্টুডেন্ট হিসেবে আসে তারা সবাই এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারি মনে হয়, মেবি ওর মতোই সবাই বেশ ইয়েটা অনেক স্ট্রং থাকে, তাই না? কনফিউজড হয়ে যেতে পারে। কিন্তু ও যেটা বলতেছে যে ছোটবেলা থেকেই ওর এক ধরনের একটা ফ্যাসিনেশন আছে তো ইংলিশের প্রতি। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই সে হচ্ছে যে এই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা সে আগে থেকেই প্র্যাকটিস শুরু করছে এবং একটা শেপ দিতে, টোটাল একটা শেপে নিয়ে আসতে বা একটা স্কোর করতে সে ইংলিশ ফ্যান্টাসি তার জার্নিটা শুরু।